Check out this bracket. Just made it. Goes from here. Wraps around. Oh, this is a mock-up. I still gotta weld this motherfucker. Here's it. This hole right here is basically for that chain. And I put it here. This right here is still loose, but I'm gonna weld it. But check this out.
Should I use this for their food instead?
Yeah, if you want.
It's a cat. It's a dog.
Check this out. Control. Once I weld it, it'll be a lot better. It's not gonna move from that bottom portion.
Sports on CBS 2 News at 6 is sponsored by Rotolo Chevrolet, pursuing excellence every day.
Good evening, everyone. We're live at the Rams training facility here in Thousand Oaks, California, where practice ended earlier this afternoon.
I'm gonna take it up.
Let's take a look back at last week's game at the Coliseum because Jared Goff completed just
See this part right here? I'm gonna have to weld this so it doesn't move.
in that loss to the Seattle Seahawks.
HDMI
This
cable?
Sunday
Yeah,
on the
save it.
road, he faces
Says
the
Radio
Jacksonville
Shack on it.
Jaguars,
Look at one.
who have one of the league's
I don't
top
know, it could
passing
have been.
defenses. Their whole defense is good. I mean, they've got a good player at all 11 spots. You know, you look across the board, it's one player after another. He's a good player, and he got to make a difference. But they're leading turnovers for a reason. I think you have to
Took it all the way up, and if you guys notice, this part moved. That's only because it's not welded on. And yes, I put my foot up there already. There's enough clearance here. So I'm just gonna weld that up pretty soon, and that should work. It's gonna do the job. Definitely happy as hell with this. I don't have to use my hand or that cheap ass leverage I was making a while back. You guys see my other YouTube video. I had a leverage here, which all this I'm gonna take off, and I'm gonna add. I'm gonna add this big ass wheel right here. This is gonna be on there, a wheel.
We're deeper. It's probably the tallest team I've had, probably the most athletic and longest team I've had. So the eye test, we check off a lot of things with our team just because of their size and their length.
Here's something really cool. Former Kings announcer Bob Miller was honored today by the LA City Council. The Kings also announced a statue of the Hall of Famer will be unveiled at Staples Center on January the 13th.
I really almost couldn't believe it, but it's such an honor to, as I mentioned,
Perfect.
join some of those great athletes, not only of our city.
I might not have to do one on the other side if this can take the weight.
Rick and Pat, he deserves that and a whole lot more. We'll see you tonight at 11 o'clock.
Oh, Jim, thank you. He certainly is one of the good guys.
And that was that right there. Check this out. I just remodified this. I made a new plate in the back and brought this up closer so it's straight up and down instead of an angle. I had a very nasty angle like this, so now I have it like this. Bam, bam. And I added this, but I might have to take about maybe this much off finger. Other than that, fucking happy.